Hi, welcome guys. Welcome to Sri Software Solutions. So, in our last class, if you remember, whatever you have completed, what? Tell me that first programming language. Okay, what is that first program language? First program of Java. Yes or no? Nothing but public. What? Tell me. Class. Suppose class A that we have completed in our last session. Yes or no? Public static void main. Yes or no? Yes. String array x. Yes or no? Some SOP statement dot out dot println. Okay, system dot out dot println. Suppose hello world. Hello world. Yes or no? So these things we have completed in our last sessions. Any doubt? Yes or no? Yes. So here you can ask one questions. Okay, sir. We don't know about this is our first class and we are newly learning Java. Okay. So how we can recognize why we are using class here? Okay. Why can't we use anything else? You understood or not? Why we are using this class? What is this A? What is this public? What is this static? Okay, what is this void, main, string, args? Okay, what is this symbol? Why we are using all these things? And why can't we use any other things in place of all these things? Yes or no? Now you can this type of questions may raise to your mind. Okay, so to overcome this problem, this is not problem. To know all these things, what all these things are exactly, we are now entering to our new chapter. That is nothing but what comments, identifiers and keywords. Yes or no? Comment, identifiers and keywords. Got it? Yes. So here in this chapter, what we'll see? In this chapter we'll see what are the comments we can use for a program. Okay, what are the, yes, tell me, what are the public, why public use is used in our program, why we are using static, why we are using void main, and what is the requirement of all these words that we are going to see in our comments, identifiers and keywords chapter, right? So in this, what, in this chapter, what you will learn? You will learn what? Yes, in this chapter we will learn the need of what? The need of comments, type of comments and some syntax rules. Yes or no? Yes. So the identifier, and also we'll learn about identifiers and keywords. Yes or no? Identifier, what are the rules for identifier? Okay, means what are the rules for this identifier also, when we can use this identifier, where we can use the identifiers. Okay, that, and what are the rules for this to mention identifier, that also we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, next, keywords, types of keywords. Yes or no? Types of keywords and its rules. Rules means where we can use which type of keyword. Okay, this is also a public is a keyword, static, void. Okay, what is main? All these things here kind of keyword. Okay, main is not a keyword. Main is kind of identifier. It's a name, method name, right? What method name? So here public, static, void. So which type of keyword all these things are, that we will see, and where we can use public, in which case we can use static, in which case we can use what, void. That all these things we are going to see in this chapter. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hey, come on. Yes or no? Yes. So now, so we'll see. First we'll see comments. Okay, First we'll see what? First we'll see comments. Okay, first we'll see Java comments. What is this Java comment? What is this Java comment? Comment is nothing but what? A description. See, don't see, just ignore whatever type mistake is happening. Okay, while typing, just ignore all these things. Okay, and try to understand the concept. Don't go for that. Otherwise, you can tell me whenever type mistake is happening. Okay, we'll rectify it. Otherwise, ignore it. If small mistakes will be there during typing, you can ignore. Okay, so a description what about a basic programming language. Basic programming element is called comment. Description about the basic programming element. Okay, suppose we wrote one program, we have to describe why this program, for what reason we wrote this program. Okay, this is one program. If we'll see, this is our program. Okay, so now here we have to mention something why this program stands for. Okay, some description, like we can write like this. Okay, before that let me write one thing. Okay, so this is comments. Description about basic programming element is called what? Comments. Okay, now you can ask me one question, sir, why comment came into picture? Without comment can't we develop a Java program? Okay, the answer is yes. Without comment also you can use, but comments are very useful to describe one thing. In a project base, multiple methods will be there, so many things will be there. Okay, how you can recognize, means how a end user or a client can recognize why this exactly this method is used for what? Yes or no? Multiple methods will be there, that we'll see. Okay, now this the questions also will mention why comments came into market, came into picture. Yes or no? Yes. So comments are developer to understand purpose, for to understand purpose. Understand purpose means for developer, suppose we are developing, okay, and we are writing multiple methods. Okay, to understand those things, okay, we are going to write what tell me. Developer, for developer to understand purpose, we can go for comments. We can use simply comments. Yes or no? So types of comment, how many types of comments are there? What? Java supports, see again type mistake happen. Super. So here, see, Java supports mostly three type of comments. Yes or no? What are those three types? First one is single line comments. Okay, single line comment is nothing but this one. This is single line comment. Okay, we'll see, just we'll write one program and we'll see. Don't think much. Okay, so here the second, what is that second type? Multi-line. What? Multi-line. Yes or no? Multi-line comments. What are these multi-line comments? Multi-line comments means here slash star star slash. Okay, in between this star slash star and star slash, whatever things we are going to put, that will be commented. Yes or no? And here third, what we can write? Document comment. Document comments. Yes or no? Comment. Document comment. What document comment? What document comment? Well, how we can write this document comment? Double star. Okay. What? Double star. Here single star and slash. Means document, for document comment case, what we can write? We can write slash, double star and single star. In a single star slash will be the closing statement. Okay, to close that comment. Got it? Got it? Yes. So now the statements placed inside this special character are ignored while compiling the code. While compiling the code in means Java code. Okay, it means what compiler basically used for like in our last session we have completed, compiler used to convert the Java code to machine understandable code. Okay, machine understandable code is nothing but the byte code. Yes or no? Means compiler will be helpful to convert the Java code or developer written code to byte code, because JVM can able to understand only byte code. JVM is a machine. Yes or no? JVM is a machine. Machine can able to understand machine language code only. So nothing but byte code. So compiler will convert the code, the development code, developer written code to byte code. But wherever we used in this type of special character, so what compiler will do? Compiler will simply ignore, okay, these things, whatever. If these things will be available inside the program, okay, if these things will be available inside our program, got it, inside our program, compiler will ignore, just compiler will ignore, okay, while compiling the code. Understood or not? Yes. So compiler will ignore while compiling the code, means it is not going to count whatever lines will be written inside this special character. Yes or no? So due to this what tell me, comments are not visible, in dot class file, in dot class file. What is this dot class file? We completed last session only, we have completed. Hey, come on, tell me. Dot class file means whenever class got compiled with the help of compiler, then dot class file will generate. Last time we already seen, right? We already have covered how dot class file got generated. While we use Java C, class name dot Java, file name dot Java. Yes or no? Yes. So once compilation completed, then dot class file will be generated. That dot class file will contains the byte code. Yes or no? So that dot class file, if you'll see that dot class file will not contain these special characters. That means it will ignore all these things. Got it? It will ignore all these things. Suppose the same program, suppose here we will write one program. Okay, here we will write one program. What? Tell me. Come on, tell me. Class, suppose I'm writing client test, writing one program here. Yes or no? Yes. So suppose here in this program, what we'll do, we'll write two methods. Okay, what we'll do, we'll write two methods here. Yes or no? Here we'll write two methods. Public, suppose here we'll write class vehicle. Yes or no? Yes. Public static void what tell me, move, because vehicle will move. Yes or no? Vehicle means vehicle will move. Yes or no? Yes. System dot out dot println. Here, see, this line we are writing for printing purpose only. Yes or no? The vehicle moves, vehicle moves. Got it? Vehicle moves. This vehicle moves. Okay, so here we will create one more method. Inside a class we can create multiple methods also. Inside our class we can create multiple methods. Yes or no? Public static void what tell me. Yes. Void stop, one method also. This is, suppose this is one method. Okay, what we'll do, suppose these are the things. Vehicle what? The vehicle stops. Vehicle stops. Yes or no? Suppose we, what happen? Yes, tell me. Suppose this is our program. So here you can ask one questions. Okay, here you can ask one questions. Which type of questions you can ask? Where we can use this single line comment. Suppose here we learned three types of commands are there. Single line comment. So here, can I write like this? Okay, see, what is this vehicle class? This is vehicle is nothing but a class. What is this move is nothing but a method. Okay, what is this stop is nothing but a method available inside vehicle class. So here, how we can, in which case you can use single line comment, multi-line comment, and how we can use, suppose this is a vehicle class, and I suppose I'm a developer. Okay, here I'm a developer. I have developed these vehicle applications. In future, you just came and in place of me, so you are there in now. Suppose just imagine this is a project. Okay, this project I was developed, this program I was developed. In future, I'm not there. You are the new employee who came into picture. Okay, you came into the company. How you can recognize what is this vehicle? Okay, for that, as a developer, this is my responsibility to write. Okay, this is the vehicle class used to contain what? Used to contain, tell me, the methods or the features of vehicle. Yes or no? Yes. So now, what is multi-line comment? What is multi-line comment? Multi-line comment is nothing but, okay, multi-line comment is nothing but what? Tell me. Here, suppose this is a method. Okay, even see, here also you can simply, I just show you what is single line comment, what is multi-line comment, what is document comment. Okay, there is no proper place. Even here also you can use single line comment. Okay, wherever you want you can use any type of comments. There is no restrictions. Okay, so here, suppose here just I wanted to use that multi-line comment here. Okay, here I just want to use multi-line comments. How we can use? Like this you can use or not? Like this, what we can use? We can see, suppose star slash slash star. Okay, here inside this we can write like this. This method is displays, this method displays, yes or no, this method displays what? The vehicle what vehicle moving status. Okay, what is the status? What is the status? What is the status of the vehicle? It is moving or not? Okay, suppose this method, this is a multi-line comments. Okay, like this. See, now you can tell me this is single line. Why you are telling this as multi-line? Come on, tell me how you can say this is multi-line. So can we write like this? One more line, can we write like this? Can we write like this? Huh? Yes or no? This method, see one more line. This method also shows the vehicle is running or not. Means multiple lines it can contain, right? Means at a time, if you'll use this syntax, if you'll use this special character, inside this special character we can use multiple lines. This is one line, this is one line, like this multiple lines at a time we can create. Okay, like this multiple lines at a time we can create. Yes or no? Yes or no? Any doubt? Okay. So what we'll do now? What we'll do now? Well, now we'll see what? Now we'll see. Now we'll see what is this document comment. Okay, what is this document comment? Now we'll see what is this document comment. Clear or not? Yes, clear or not? So now we'll see what is this document comment. Got it? So same like this, whatever single multi-line comments we have used here, can we do it for the next method? Can you tell me the next method? Can you tell me about next method? We'll do the things again here. Okay. Suppose here what we'll do, same multi-line comment. Can you write like this? What? Slash star. This method displays vehicle status. Yes or no? Yes. This method shows vehicle status. One more line, can you write it here or not? Can we or not? This method also showing the vehicle is stop or not. Vehicle stops. Yes or no? So now can we close this one? Can you write like this? Means here by writing like this, what we are doing, we are saying, hey, this method, what exactly pointing to? This method, this move method, that this move method content. Why I wrote this method? You can able to understand. Yes, this method displays vehicle moving status. Okay, this is nothing but the description to point out the method. Okay, description to point out this method. Yes or no? This is nothing but the description to point out this method. Clear? Right. So now we'll go for document comment. Okay, here we have completed single line comment. See, this single line comment here also you can write, this multi-line comment also here also you can write. It's no specific time, means there is no specific place. In this place we can write this type of comments. Anywhere, any type of comments you can use. Okay, so now we'll go for document comment. What is this document comment? Document comment, what is the character for this? This is document comment. You know, slash double star. Yes or no? Slash double star. Yes or no? Okay, come on. What? Star, single star and slash. closed, right? Single star and closed. Yes or no? So inside this, any type of document, if you want, you can use. Okay, any type of document you can, if you want, you can use. Document means what? Document means nothing but, suppose here we can write star. See, in document command, if you give, if you'll be providing double star means once you press enter, automatically this type of command should, this next star will be generated. That means it is saying whatever coming under this slash star star and star slash, all are document related comments. Why this class means what? Oh, see, documents means, suppose we can write this program shows what the vehicle working functionality, next. Once we in programmatic wise, if once we'll use this one, I'll show you. Okay, in programmatic, if once we'll use this command, okay, once you press enter, automatically next star will come. Okay, so here suppose at the rate author. Okay, who is the author? Suppose I am the author, I can write my name here. Okay, here I can write my name here. Yes or no? Suppose who is the author of this applications in next coming future. Suppose you were there in place of me, I moved from the company, in one place you there currently. Okay, so this is the program developed by me. How you can get to know who developed this program? Well, some documents should be there, some documentation should be there, right? So that we can put that document kind of thing, we can put inside document comments. So here I can write my name was Ranjan. Super. Yes or no? Yes. So again one more comment, what? Company. Okay, what is my company? Suppose what is my company, tell me. So suppose here we can write Sri Software Solution. Okay, what is, see, these are the documentations. Okay, these type of things we can put inside documents. Okay, it means in next coming futures, if you'll be there in place of me, you can recognize, yes, this program is the vehicle working functionalities, this person is the developer, this person is developed, and this is the company. Here this person is currently working. Okay, and out of, suppose here I can write one more thing, date also. What is this date? Suppose we can write 26 what, July 7 what, 2024 or 2024, anything. Okay, next, like this you can write, like this multiple lines you can write inside document comments. Any type of, see, multiple lines you can write. This is not specific lines, how much lines you want to put, you can put inside it. Able to understand? Able to understand? Getting or not? Getting or not? Hey, come on, tell me, getting or not? Okay, fine. So now what, this is comments got clear or not? Yes. Now we'll go for our next thing. What is that? Identifier and its rules. Okay, now we'll go for our next program, next concept. What is that? Identifier and its rules. Identifier and its rules. What is that? Identifier and its rules. Okay, here now we'll see identifier and its rules. Hey, concept clear, huh? Yes or no? This comment clear or not? Yes. Now we'll see identifier and rules. Identifier and rules. So here, what is identifier? What is identifier? Why we are using this identifier? Yes or no? Yes. Why we are using this identifier? Now, what is the definition of what identifier? Definition of identifier. Yes or no? Yes. Identifiers are what? Identifiers are the names of the basic programming element. Okay, see, identifier is nothing but identify. Okay, identifier is nothing but identify. Okay, suppose this is a person. This is a person. See here, it's a person. Okay, see, this is a person, and this person, how you can recognize this person? Hey, this is a person. Okay, how you can recognize this person? Tell me. Suppose this is a person, how you can recognize? Hey, this is a person. Suppose this person name is what? Alan. Alan. Okay. So how you can recognize this person? See, this person, suppose someone came and will call, hey Alan, good morning. Okay, Alan means Alan pointing to this person. Alan simply a name only. Okay, which is identifying this person. Okay, that means the thing which is going to identify anything, that might be a person, that might be any object, that might be anything, anything can be. Okay, which is identifying something. That means Alan is the word who is identifying this person. If we are calling Alan means we are identifying this person. Yes or no? So same like this, identifier is nothing but the name. Okay, the name for basic program element, basic programming element. Okay, so here we'll write one program. Can you tell me what are the identifiers are available here? What are the identifiers? Suppose class client test. This is our application. Okay, or class A. Suppose class A I'm taking public static void main. Yes or no? String array args dot out dot println. Yes or no? Yes. System dot out dot println. Here you are writing, suppose nothing, hello. Okay, hello. Anything we can write inside system dot out dot println. Yes or no? Suppose you are writing hello. So what is this? Already in our last session we have completed. Okay, how we can execute our first applications. So in today's session, what we are seeking? So whenever we are writing any type of class, why we are using this type of words? Okay, this is nothing but identifier or keywords. Why we are using? If we not use this type of keywords, then what will happen exactly? Got it? So now here tell me what is this? What is how many? What are the identifiers are available here? What are the identifiers are available here? Okay, tell me what are the identifiers are available here? See. Hey, come on. What are the identifiers? This is one or not? What? This is what is this? This is a. Okay. What is this? This is a which is pointing to a class. Okay. Means for this class name is a. Yes or no? A is nothing but a name. Then same like this is main. Yes or no? What is this main? Main is also a name. For what? This is the method name. This is class name. This one is method name. Right. So this is also a name. So what is this arg? Then here also one args we can say. What is this arg? This is a name which is pointing to this variable. Okay, what is this variable also we'll see, don't worry. So this is a name pointing to a class, this is a name pointing to a method, this is a name pointing to a variable. That means what, all these things are name. Okay, here also out also we can say, because out is also a variable. Okay, means out is also an object. What is this println? Println is nothing but a method. Yes or no? Method name. See, here main is a name of the method, println is the name of the method. Okay, these are nothing but name of the method. So these we can call this as identifiers. Okay, because these things are, by using these things we can identify, yes, this is the println is the method name, main is the method name, args is the variable name, a is the class name. These are nothing but identifier. You understood? Clear? Okay, so now here this is our a. Okay, this is our a. So this is our, see here some type mistakes are there, public sta ta ic. Okay, so this is not, this is, we will erase these things. Okay, okay, static, this is static. Okay, don't give any space in this keyword, type mistake happen, so just ignore these things. So now main is there. What is this main? Main is nothing but a identifier also. Here args is there. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, arg is there. Okay, what is this arg? Arg is nothing but the variable name. Same like this, out is there. Same like this, println is there. Yes or no? All these things are nothing but, we can say what, here, here, here. Yes or no? All these things pointing to identifier only. Okay, these are nothing but what, tell me, these are nothing but identifiers. These are nothing but identifiers. Clear? These are nothing but identifiers. Okay, now suppose you can ask one question. Okay, if you not use this identifier, then what will happen? Okay, if you not use this identifier, then simply you will write like this. Simply you will write like this, what, class. I'm not taking any names here. Okay, public static void main string args. Okay, so here I will not take also any variable. Okay, so here I'm not supposed to use this main also. Okay, this main also will not use. Then what will happen? Then immediately compiler will throw the error. Okay, what compiler will throw the error? Identifier expected. What? Okay, immediately compiler will throw the error. Okay, now here we can write the same thing. Okay, here we can write the same thing. What? If will not use these identifiers, immediately what, compiler will throw the error by saying what, tell me, identifier expected. Yes or no? Identifier expected. Yes or no? How identifier expected? If we'll see the program, what, tell me, if we see the program, this is our first program or not? Last time we have cleared, right? Command prompt. Suppose we'll go for the command prompt. What? Java, already this this Java file compiled, so that's why dot class file generated. Now if we'll be doing any type of modifications here, suppose this is our first program, we'll remove this one and just now I save this. Okay, just save it, and now go to that command prompt. Here is our command prompt. What we'll do now, we did some modifications in this class, yes or no? So how many times you'll do any type of modifications in your program, that many times you need to compile the file, because whatever dot class file generated, that is based on your last modifications, right? Last time whatever we have done, based on that dot class file generated. Okay, so now we did some other modifications. That means for that again we need to compile our program. What is that? Java C, what, file name dot java. What is the file name? What is the file name? What? First program. Okay, one second. What is the thing? Java C first program. First program, yes or no? Dot java. What tell me? Java C first program dot java. What error we are getting here? What error we are getting? Identifier expected, yes or no? Why it is saying identifier expected? Because here we have not provided any kind of name. Got it or not? That type of things you are going to get if you forgot any type of identifier. Okay, this is based on notepad, but if you will be next coming future, if you will be going for some other editors like Eclipse, STS, there it will suggest. Okay, there it will suggest you, and automatically auto suggestions you will get. Hey, this is the name, here you need to provide some names. Okay, these are the things. So now immediately we are going to get the compile time error, yes or no? Yes. So now there are some rules are there. Okay, rules for what defining, rules for defining identifier. What are the rules? How we can define these things? Okay, what are the rules that we can define identifiers? What? While defining, we must follow some rules. Okay, else it will throw what? Compile time error, yes or no? Compile time error. What kind of things? The first rule. Okay, identifier should only contain what tell me? Alphabets. Contain what? Alphabets. What? Alphabet means small a to z and capital A to z, and what? Capital A to capital Z. Okay, this is the first rule. Identifier should only contain alphabets, digits means what? Nothing but 0 to 9, yes or no? Digits. And also identifier can contain special characters. What? Like what? Special character means underscore, or simply you can say dollar. Okay, or some percentage. These are called special characters, yes or no? Yes. So see, these are the rules. Next, what? Identifier should not start with what? Should not start with a digit. Okay, a digit, that means students cannot be starts with a digit. Okay, like this. What? Like we cannot, suppose class A we are writing, can we write like class 1? Can I write like this? Because identifier should not start with, tell me, identifier should not start with digit. Okay, so now you can ask me one question. Okay sir, I can write like first student, first or first person. Okay, class first person, can you write like this? No, this should not, identifier never starts with digit. Okay, identifier never starts with digits. Okay, but you can use digit inside the identifier. Okay, that means a digit can, but we can use digits inside the identifier, inside the what tell me, inside the identifier. Inside identifier means in between we can use. Okay, in between we can use, like this is the, this is incorrect. Okay, yes or no? This is incorrect, this is incorrect. Then what is the correct one? What is the correct one? This is the correct one. Class person or number 1 person. Okay, this is right, this is wrong. Yes or no? This is wrong. So what next? What next? These are the some rules that we cannot, we should follow during mention, while we are mentioning a identifier. Yes or no? Then third one. What is the third one? Identifier should not contain special characters. Special characters. Special characters. The only what? Only these things. Only underscore or dollar. Only underscore or dollar are allowed. Only these two are allowed. Only these two are allowed. Okay. Special characters should contain not this one. Okay. Should contain dollar symbol or what? Dollar or underscore. Only these two special characters are allowed in identifier. Suppose we are writing class what? Class number, okay, 1 person. Yes, and here one more thing we are writing what? Class number dollar 1 person. Just tell me which one is wrong, which one is right. Only underscore and dollar symbol that we can use. Yes or no? Here this is wrong. Yes or no? Here this is correct only. This is right. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, yes. So here these are the things. Okay. So one more thing. Okay, one more thing here I would like to mention. Fourth point. Okay, fourth point. What? Identifier should not contain what? Should not contain space in the middle of the words. Okay, if you want, we can provide, if we want, we can provide gap in between the words, in between the words. What? Tell me, in between the words, by providing underscore by providing underscore. Yes or no? Yes or no? By providing underscore. This one you can use by providing underscore. What? So due to this behavior, this symbol is called as connector symbol. Due to this behavior, this underscore is known as identifier. Like you can write like first program. Can you write like this? Can you write like this? First program. Can you write like this? No, never. We can't give that type of space in between the programs. Okay. So for this, what we can do? We can write first underscore program. That means in between these two words, it is connecting these two words. Clear? Any doubt? Clear? No doubt, right? Super. Now, next. What next? What next? Tell me, what next? Yes. So now, what? So identifiers are case sensitive. Okay, identifiers are case sensitive. Identifiers what are case sensitive. Case sensitive. What is this case sensitive? Case sensitive is nothing but small a should not be equal to, okay, not equal to capital A. Small a is not equal to capital A. Yes or no? Small a is not equal to capital A. We will give an example. What? Class A. This is class A, okay, and void B. This is our one method, okay. This is what? Tell me. Void what? Void B. Same method. Suppose, okay. Void B, okay. That means suppose here we are writing one class, okay, and inside the class suppose three methods are there, okay. This one is a method, this is a method, this is a method. So all method names are same only, okay. Same means which one is right, which one is wrong, which one is right, which one is wrong? Right. Yes or no? Here this one is wrong. Why? Because why? Tell me why it is wrong? Because already the B already defined, right? The same name we cannot take inside one class. The two methods having same name we cannot put. But here, can you tell me this is right or wrong? This is right. This is what? Right. Why? Because this might be small b, but this is capital B. Yes or no? So these identifiers are case sensitive. If you are writing any method with name small character and again same name we are mentioning, defining by providing capital character, then both are correct only. Okay, both are correct, but the same name we cannot put. Understood? Clear. So now if we'll go for next program, keywords can't be used as user defined identifier because what is user defined identifier, what is user defined and what is predefined, we'll see. Because what, they are available inside JVM directly. See, whatever identifier you have mentioned, we cannot give our user defined identifiers, okay. Means keywords cannot use the user defined identifiers. Means keywords, what keywords? What? Tell me. Keywords are nothing but See, in above program, we have mentioned what? In our program, we have mentioned static. Okay, here static, void. These are nothing but keywords. Okay, public. These are nothing but keywords. Okay, we cannot in place of a public or in case of a static. Okay, these are the keywords. These are nothing but keywords. We cannot use our user defined names. User defined means suppose you want to give some other name. Okay, suppose you want to give instead of that public, I will give people. Okay, instead of static, suppose if you will be providing instead of the static anything any name, suppose user defined name I am giving chapter. Okay, chapter chapter, yes or no? So in place of void anything you are writing like this. Okay, suppose main. Can JVM able to understand this one? Okay, can JVM able to understand this one? No, JVM will not understand. Because why? Because this public, this static, this void, these are all these things are predefined keywords. Okay, all these things are predefined keywords available inside JVM. So we cannot give our choice name to them. Okay, we can't provide our choice name to them. Yes or no? Yes. So these are the things. Suppose static is a keyword. Class static. Class static. Can you write like this? Can you write this? Hey, come on, tell me. Can you write like this? No. This is wrong. Because this static is a keyword available inside JVM like this. So don't worry, we'll see how many types of keywords are there. Okay, what are their names? That also we'll see. No issues. So next, what is here? What here you can tell some points are there. Okay, important points are there. What? Predefined class names used for user defined identifier. Means predefined class names can be used for user defined identifier. Yes or no? Yes, because they are defined with separate package. Defined with a separate package. They are defined with a separate package. Yes or no? Where? Inside JVM. Inside JVM. See, public, static, void, all this like this, around 50 above keywords are there, okay, available inside the JVM. For each keyword, some different packages are there, okay. Or packages we already cover, right? So multiple packages are there for all keywords. Okay, and there is, you can say, sir, is there any certain length for any identifier? Can we suppose you are writing my first program? Okay, this is the class name. So is there any certain length? That no, there is no certain length. No certain length. There is no certain length for identifier. There is no certain length for identifier. Okay, yes or no? Yes. So now you can tell me one more questions. Okay, sir, string is a class. Okay, because wherever we are writing, see, this is public static void main string array args. Yes or no? This string array args. What is this string? String is nothing but a class. Okay, that is predefined class available inside java.lang.package. Okay, that is available inside java.lang.package. Okay, now you can tell me one thing. What? Now you can tell me one thing. This is predefined class already available. This is predefined class already available. So suppose we'll write one class string. Class string. Yes or no? This is class string. This is one class, and here see class and here we can write class test. This is not predefined class. Okay, when it will become predefined, if we will import the package, import java.lang.string. Now see, if we import this package, that means string, we are informing, hey, this is the predefined class, and also we cannot write like this because this class is already there na, so why should write it again? So now I want to make this string class as user defined class. For this, what we will do, we'll remove this one, import. Okay, now it became a user defined class. So here public static void main. Okay, string what args, whatever SOPLN statement is you want to put, you can put. Okay, whatever SOPLN statement, whatever SOPLN statement you want, you can put inside it. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. So now you can tell me. So I have one questions. Okay, can you tell me? Can you tell me? This is not redefined. Okay, this is user defined, developed by me only. I developed class string. Okay, now I am using the same class here. See, as we had discussed in our last sessions, JVM can able to understand only this method, only this main method. This is nothing but the main method. This is the prototype of the main method. Okay, JVM can able to understand only this method. So now I am using string array args. Okay, so means our string class, user defined string class, I am using here. Can JVM able to understand this main method? No, here in this case JVM will not able to understand main method. Okay, here in this case will not able to understand, JVM will not able to understand what, this main method. Why? Because tell me, because JVM can what, able to understand, JVM can able to understand what, java.lang.string, java.lang.string package string class. Yes or no? This string class is variable inside java.lang.string package only, correct? So JVM can able to understand, only recognize this package. Okay, if any type of, suppose for writing any program, and in the top of that, see, we no need to write anything, we no need to input anything, because once you install Java, means automatically it will recognize string is a predefined class available inside JVM. So we cannot use our user defined names. Okay, means even once we'll write these things, means immediately compiler will throw error, hey man, you cannot write the program like this because this is already available. Okay, so immediately compiler will throw error. Which error? Yes, tell me, which error? Java.lang. No such method error. No such method error. Why? Because no such method error. What is this no such method error? Because JVM can able to understand, only the main method which contains a complete prototype like this, java.lang.string. Okay, java.lang.string like this JVM can able to understand. Got it? Clear. So now what? Now, any doubt here? Any doubt here? No. So now what we can do? So till here we have completed that. What? Till here we have completed identifiers and comments. Okay. Now we'll see what? Now we'll see Come on, now we'll see. Now we'll see keywords. Okay, what are the keywords are available, and around 50 plus keywords are there. Okay, that we'll see in the next class, but before that, let's just we'll explain. We'll see what is keywords. Okay, we'll see what is keywords. What is keywords? Here we'll see what is keywords. What is keywords? Yes or no? Yes, yes. Here we will see inside complete state line. Super. Here we will see. Here we will see keywords. Okay. Here we will see keywords. What are the keywords are available? What is keywords? Here Java keywords. Here what we can see, Java keywords and its rules. Java keywords and its rules. Yes or no? Yes. So keywords are predefined identifiers available directly throughout, available directly inside the JVM. Inside the JVM means Java virtual machines. They have what? Some meanings, some specific, some certain. Okay, some certain meanings. They have some certain meanings inside Java source code. So inside Java source code, and outside comment symbol. Okay, and outside comments. Okay, and outside of comments. Okay, that means whatever things will be there outside of comments means what? So it will obviously whatever will put inside the comment, this is not going to execute. Correct? Comment means that the compiler will ignore, but this keyword should be right outside of comments. For example, if we'll see example, public static void. Okay, suppose we are writing class, all these are nothing but keywords. Okay, all these are nothing but keywords. Okay, and there are some particular some keywords are there. Okay, some 50 plus keywords are there. So and some rules are also there for all these keywords. Some rules are also there. Okay, so that we'll see in our next class. So in today's session, whatever we have completed, what we have completed, comments identifier and keywords we have completed. Okay, here comments we have completed, and whatever the rules are used for comments, what is the identifier, what are the rules for identifiers, all these things we have completed, and what is keywords. So tomorrow we'll see what are the keywords that is available inside JVM. Whatever we told, okay, 50 plus keywords are there, where we can use which keyword. Okay, in means also tomorrow we'll see how we can start our program. See, here we are writing our applications in a notepad only, programs notepad only. So here some mistakes might happen, then how you will recognize? As a developer you cannot recognize means immediately. Okay, this is just small applications, that's why we are recognizing, but if large scale applications. So tomorrow we'll download one software. Okay, tomorrow we'll see one software, that is Edit Plus software. Okay, how we can work in that Edit Plus software, and how we can develop our applications, how that software makes programmer life very easy. Clear? Any doubt, anyone? Super, super. So next session we'll see this keyword and other things. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.